Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the adjustable T-shape handle compost spreader, peat moss spreader, metal mesh manure spreader for lawns, garden planting seeding. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Now, let's talk about this amazing compost spreader. It is constructed with high-quality, heat-treated steel and powder-coated to prevent rust and corrosion, making it incredibly durable and built to last. The ergonomic handle features a rubber cover and a triangular reinforced structure for added durability and can be adjusted to 3 lengths to accommodate users of different heights and prevent back strain. One of the most impressive features of this spreader is its efficient drum design. The 24 metal mesh basket features a diamond-shaped opening, ensuring an even flow and spread of materials. The extra thick and wider mesh design helps prevent deformation and increases the basket's lifespan. The basket can spread compost, soil, peat moss, and more over 300 square feet of lawn, making it incredibly efficient. Another great feature of this spreader is its smooth spreading technology. No more clumps. This peat moss spreader tumbles materials, breaking up clumps and ensuring an even spread across your lawn or garden. The dense mesh opening helps keep large debris in the spreader, improving efficiency and reducing waste. Not only is this spreader efficient, but it is also incredibly versatile. It is perfect for distributing compost, soil, peat moss, and more to plant, feed, and weed your lawn, garden, or farm. The easy push-pull design allows for versatility in tight areas or open spaces, and the rounded roller ends help avoid damaging your lawn during turns. Assembling and operating this spreader is a breeze. Simply attach the mesh pieces and discs via screws and the handle with pin screws. Once assembled, simply open the hinge door, add your compost, lock the latches, adjust the handle length, and you're ready to spread. Overall, this adjustable T-shape handle compost spreader is a must-have for anyone looking to efficiently and evenly spread compost, soil, peat moss, and more over their lawn or garden. So if you're ready to take your planting and seeding to the next level, make sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible spreader. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.